Applied AI is redefining how business gets done. Sharath Tadepalli, Director and Global Practice Leader, Data Science, AI, and Machine Learning at HGS, shares the top 3 trends shaping 2026. Let's get started. In 2026, cybersecurity will move beyond reactive scanning. AI will treat information as a living entity, not a static asset. Advanced data frameworks will give AI continuous awareness of data behavior and relationships to identify and stop complex multi-hop attacks across systems. Now let's move to Trend 2. In 2026, AI will evolve from a passive assistant to an outcome-owning partner. For example, AI systems will see and hear live agent performance, identifying skill gaps in real time. Agent interaction will autonomously trigger personalized coaching interventions aligned to expected performance standards. Finally, AI will help unlock new value from existing hardware. Rather than an expensive overhaul, existing infrastructure will be transformed into a responsive agentic network by adding custom AI micromodules on top of it. By combining edge AI with multi-sensor data fusion, existing systems will gain the ability to see, hear, and act. 2026 marks the shift from AI potential to AI performance. AI advances will power intelligent operations and interactions, culminating in truly intelligent experiences for employees and consumers.